This is a simple, delicious recipe for vegetarian stir-fry with enoki mushrooms, tofu, and crispy vegetables. What are your favorite vegetables for your Asian stir-fry? So here we have the enoki mushrooms. So I'm going to cut the stem off, and then we'll wash the mushrooms before we use them to cook. Cut the stem here. So I'll just take it right about there. So this is where it's kind of soggy. First, we preheat a wok at medium heat. Put 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. I have peanut oil here. So I'm going to put about a tablespoon of chopped ginger and garlic. You can put more or less, it's up to you. Next we put the onions. Got about half a cup of onions here. Onions are aromatic, so I like to use onions with the ginger and garlic. Next, put the red peppers down. So cook it about 75% and take it off. Add a little more oil. So I got it at medium-high heat right now, close to high. So I put the tofu in here. So this is fairly firm tofu. So just give that a quick stir fry. So here we have the enoki mushrooms, 7 ounces. Put about a half teaspoon of salt. This is a sea salt, natural salt. Put a couple tablespoons of light soy sauce. For this recipe I like to put some black bean sauce. You can put other kind of sauces if you like. So I'll just put about a half tablespoon or to a tablespoon. Then we're going to hit it with half a cup of water. So for me it's 2 ladles. So it's been going at medium high. I'm going to turn it down to low. So this is similar to a style that is cooked in Huiping, China, where you have the enoki mushroom served with tofu. So you can check some of my other recipes. So we put a little extra water in there just to let it evaporate, so you have the tofu is a little bit softer. So I have a tablespoon of cornstarch in 1/3 cup of water. So you might not need the whole thing, but I'm going to put half of it down, see what it looks like. So you might use the whole thing. In this case, I'm going to use most of it. So now we're just going to scoop the tofu and the enoki mushrooms over the veggies. You can serve it with more veggies if you like. Just mix everything up with the veggies here, like this. So the red peppers will give you a little bit of color. There you have it, enoki mushroom stir fry with tofu, red peppers, and onions. Enjoy. Now you can order the products and ingredients that I use in my cooking videos. Just click the link below in the description for the Chinese cooking accessory guide. You can order everything online including the wok that I use and some of the equipment that I use. Thanks for checking out my video. Please like and subscribe. Any comments are always welcome. Take care and stay safe.